Ako po si Emanuelito Bautista, 20 years old po. Gusto ko po yung BSID course dahil po sa aking kabansanan. Darili lang po ang mga nagagamit ko po.
I'm Mary Ritzy Mitara. Nagpa-part-time po ako as real estate agent. Nag-work po ako as manager sa isang optical shop, and then nag-aral ako sa MCC. I'm taking up Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Now, let me ask first, if you know what the P stands for print, okay? Anyone? Yes, Mary.
Paano po maging isang IT expert po? At naniniwala po ako na malaki ang aking mayambag sa industriya po ng IT. Ang disability ko po ay Duchenne muscular dystrophy po.
Kuya Emma, kumusta yung online class mo?
Paunti-unti pong inuubos yung aking muscle cells sa po yung kalamnan po. Nalaman ko po na wala pong gamot ang aking sakit. Yung po lifespan po ng sakit ko po is 20 to 30 years old po.
Nung bata ako, lagi kong nasasabi na bakit ganito, bakit pinanganak ako mahirap. Isa lang naman yung gusto ko, makapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. Kahit na hindi ako, wala akong baon, wala kaming pagkain, pumapasok ako. Every year, binibigyan ko ng recognition yung parents ko.
Alam mo, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, ang daming iba't ibang klaseng estudyante. Nandyan ang mga working students, nandyan ang PWD, nandyan din yung mga mag-aaral na wala na yung mga skills nila sa meron ngayon na mga trabaho, so bumabalik sa pag-aaral. At ito ay lahat ng mga rason kung bakit minsan hindi sila nagiging estudyante rin talaga.
Now I'm going to give you a QR code to scan. You have to choose there which GDS you are familiar of. Please scan the QR code.
To be able to cope up into this world, you really need education. It's really hard, of course, to be educated ngayong panahon na to because it's really too expensive. But with the presence of the city colleges and the state universities, it's now easier to fulfill the dreams of the students kasi there is a free education now.
Mabalacat City College is a community college. We want to be accessible and as inclusive as possible. And that's where technology came to our aid. Doon namin nakilala ang Huawei Smart Classroom. Pwede na ang mga working students and even PWDs, even working mothers.
Bilang isang estudyante po sa MCC, yung pong setup namin po is hybrid din po. Kapag po major subject, since MCC Pro Plus po ako at PWD po ako, kahit hindi na po ako pumasok ng face-to-face, basta gawin lang po yung activity na pinapagawa po online.
Now, it's very innovative that we do have the smart classrooms already.
So is everyone done voting? How about those online? Are you done? Let's see the result. Okay, so most of you are familiar with letter D, which is abacus. And then next is
very wide screen na kahit nasa likod ang estudyante, they're very much interested with what I am discussing. Now, we could discuss and our students could listen to us, join the discussions, even they're at work.
In Western US is Amadeus, okay?
Para ka rin nasa loob ng classroom eh. Pwede kang mag-recitation, nakikita mo ang iyong mga classmates.
What do you think P stands for? For brain, okay? Anyone? How about you, Mary?
Hi, Ma'am. P stands for passengers phone.
Okay, so very good, Mary. P stands for passengers.
Napatawag ka ng teacher para sa isang board work. So it's as if you're really there.
I would like to ask Eman. Hi, Eman. I would like to ask, do you know what R stands for? Amadeus. Okay, very good, Eman. The answer is received from. Thank you very much, Eman. And now,
We vote interact with each other. Kahit kumaga kami nasa online, tapos sila nasa face-to-face. And we can communicate as well. ang edukasyon talaga ay para sa lahat.
It's been 2 years po nung na-install yung Smart Classroom natin, and wala po siyang naging problema. The Huawei Smart Classroom is not vulnerable for anything threats to our system because we monitor our connection through the Smart Classroom.
Sa katunayan, dahil dito sa mga efforts ng MCC making education accessible and inclusive through technology, nakuha namin ang prestihiyosong Times Higher Education Awards in Digital or Technology.
Nung nakita kasi namin itong technology nito, marami siyang na-unlock na possibility sa mga students or yung access sa learning. Right now, we are focusing on Smart Classroom. But in the future, we are more focusing on the smart campus na.
Hindi naman po kasi dapat maging negatibo tayo sa buhay. Wala yung iniisip na kaya ko at matatapos ko yung kurso. Kahit marami pong hadlang, pagsubok sa buhay ay dapat natin ipagpatuloy ang ating pag-aaral.
Yung education talaga is susi siya sa success. And I claim it already na magsa-successful ako sa buhay. Gusto ko lang maging healthy sila. At nandyan sila sa time na makuha ko yun. Upang ibigay ko sa kanila yun.
For all the Filipino students out there are institutions like us. Go to your local college, tell them about yourself. I am sure they will work around the condition that you have also.
Everything is now provided for you, free education, and these innovations. So you just have to take a step and finish your studies.
So Huawei will continuously innovate technologies and solutions in order to bring digital to every person, home, organization for a fully connected, intelligent world.